So, pinapakita nila dito na, you know, bago mo ma-achieve yung gusto mo, marami kang mga ma-experience na hindi maganda, lalong-lalo na within sa 15 years na to. Pero, hindi man siya maganda, hindi pa rin losses, kasi sabi nila dito na, para siyang a blessing in disguise, na merong mga bagay o mga taong didikit sa buhay mo, na bibigyan ka ng lesson na hindi mo makakalimutan. Maaring ma-traumatize ka dito sa pangyayari na to. Pero sabi nila na mag-heal ka naman.
For then shall be great tribulation. Magkakaroon ng tinatawag na kapighatian, such as was not since the world began. So ang kaibahan ng tribulation na ito, ang kaibahan ng kapighatian na ito, walang katulad. Testing, time of testing, time of trials, time of tribulation, dakilang kapighatian. For there shall be great tribulation since as was not since the world began to this time. Sabi ng Panginoon, sabihin yung panahon na yun, walang katulad. Magkakaroon ng dakilang kapighatian na hindi pa nangyayari kahit kailan, walang katulad.
Parang chaos po talaga.
Yes. So, hindi normal na panahon yun. Okay. Diba? Kasi magkakaroon ng dakilang kapighatian. And except this day should be shortened, the Bible says there should no flesh be saved. But for the elect's sake, dahil sa mga pinili, ang oras na yon ay paiigtingin. And immediately after the tribulation of those days shall the sun be darkened, and the moon shall not give her light, and the stars of heaven will fall from heaven. Lahat ng mga description na yun. And then they will see the sign of the Son of Man coming
From this.
in the clouds with great power and glory.